welcome back to my channel. My name is Charmaine, and today I'm going to do a tutorial on a DIY, do-it-yourself makeup brush holder, okay? I just did a few ornaments today using the polyacrylic, so I'm going to go ahead and do another video because I need to use a polyacrylic for this. So I just said, let me go ahead and knock these videos out today. So you might see glitter all around because I already been using the glitter today. So first you need, like I said, you need the polyacrylic. And I have the clear gloss, and I got this from Walmart. What I did was put it inside of here for my ornaments. You really don't need to put it inside of this bottle for the glass because it's already a wide mouth glass. But for the ornaments, I use that. If you would like to see the ornaments I just made with the glitter and the polyacrylic, I will put the link below. Also, you need some alcohol. I use 91%. I got this from Walgreens to clean the glass before I put my image on. My vinyl, 651 vinyl. Okay, and I have my contact paper. Have my glitter. Of course, I have purple. That's my favorite color. I got this. Ooh, I had opened it. That's going to be a mess, y'all. I got this from Walmart, I believe, or either Michael's. Okay, and then I also get a good brush just in case I need to use this when I put my polyacrylic inside there. And I also have a sheet of paper. So when I'm ready to get all the loose glitter, I crease the paper and just put the glitter in here so I won't make a mess on my table. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. First thing you need to do is go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead. Usually people put the stuff in there first, the glitter and the polyacrylic in it. I'm gonna put my design on first, so I don't have to worry about doing it after. So I don't have to worry about doing it later because after I finish putting the glitter and stuff on there, I wanted to set it upside down and let it dry overnight. So I don't have to worry about going back and forth with this, trying to put this on there. Okay, so I'm gonna put the image on first. I just got some gold vinyl. Put some contact paper on here, and let's get this together first. I got glitter everywhere, y'all. I call myself cleaning it up, but it's everywhere. So just basically, I just cut this a little bit. My nails are so long, so I just got to do as best I can with these nails, y'all. I just take this and just stab it and find a piece to pull. And there we have it. I got this from DollarTree. Y'all got to be careful with this DollarTree contact paper because it gets old quick. Even though it's $1, it's still good. But yeah, I have a whole roll that I throw away because it gets too many wrinkles in it. And once it get the wrinkles in it, it gets wrinkles in your image, in your vinyl, okay? So just hit FYI. I just threw a whole thing over. Let me show you. I just put it in the garbage. Let me show you. Look at this. You might not be able to see it because I have my on my phone. I really can't, but you can see the wrinkles in that paper. All them bubbles and stuff. I tried to use it before and it messed up my images. So I just throw this away. I don't want no problems with when it comes to doing it, making products for other people. So yeah, try to use that up or just try to keep it flat because I keep mine rolled up and that's what happened. So I don't know, maybe you have to open it up and lay it flat. Okay, so there we go. There's that. Let me go ahead and clean this off, the glass off with some paper, with some alcohol. I love this spray bottle. Take a paper towel and just clean the whole glass off just so I can be able to design wherever I want to. Go ahead and wipe some of this glitter up too. And it's not gonna work. Okay, so I have this clean. I'm gonna go ahead and lay this down flat on the table. Still gotta invest in me one of those things that people be making. I'm gonna probably make it myself so they can keep the glass still. But you can also use a towel. Let me show you. I got glitter everywhere, y'all. Also use a towel. Just right here so it can stay still just like that. You can try to curve it so it can stay in the middle. Okay, so let me go ahead and take this off and let me go ahead and cut it so it can lay. I can find my scissors. Here it is. Basically what you do, you want to make some slits in it so when you lay it down it'll lay flat and don't give you any problems. So just long straight cuts, okay? Don't cut your image like I almost did. Okay. So basically, like when you lay it down, it'll lay down like that. And you don't have to worry about it being all stuck together. So I'm going to put it probably about right here in the middle. The sun is shining kind of bright in here. Hope y'all can see that. Okay. You can also just do one at a time, one side at a time. See how that's laying flat because of that? Only because I cut it. If I didn't cut it, it wouldn't lay flat. See, I can lift this part up and lay it flat. So cutting it is really good to keep the bubbles away. Okay, so now you just take your fingers and just give it some little, should have put a cut right here. You see that? If I would have put a cut right here, that would have laid flat, but I got a bubble. So let's go ahead and take this off, pull it on off. And there we have it. And I have a little piece of vinyl in there that wasn't supposed to be in here. Let me see if I can get this out. Yeah, there it is. I'll take it out. There you go. It was supposed to weed that out, and I forgot that little piece. So be careful when y'all weeding. That little piece was still in there. So now I got it out. So there we have it. Slay. So like I said, most people put that on last, but I'm going to go ahead and put it on now. So once I put the glitter and stuff in there, I'll be all done with this project, and I let it dry. And it'll be ready to be used. Okay. So now let me go ahead and move this towel out the way. And go ahead and put the polyacrylic in. I really don't need that little spout on there. Okay, just put a lot in there, just about that much in there. I'm gonna show you how much I put in there. This stuff can be very messy. So get a paper towel close by. I need to put some gloves on because it's gonna mess my nails up. Because this stuff eats away. Okay, it eats up your stuff. So if you put it on the table or whatever, it'll eat it up. And I know it's gonna eat my nails up, y'all. I should have put some gloves on. But it's too late now. But this stuff is really strong. And try to get some ventilation in here because it's, you know, your room, because it is kind of strong. So what you need to do is just go ahead and swirl it around. I already started swirling it around. Make sure you get the bottom. I just do like this to get the bottom and go up, and try to go slow so you won't get any streaks. Okay. Just wind it around. Ooh. It's very, very loose liquid. Okay. And now what I'm going to do is go ahead. I still got to get this at the top. See how right up here at the top? I'm going to just go slow. Get as much as I can. And then I'm going to go ahead and get a cup. And while I'm pouring in the cup, I'm going to try to get all the edges out. All the edges taken care of. Let's see. See, I'm getting as close as I can to the rim without spilling it. So I'm going to go ahead and give me a cup. Paper cup is the best way to do it because you don't want to, like I said, this stuff will eat up either way. I'll just use this plastic cup real quick. You don't want to use styrofoam. So see how I'm going to go ahead and just let it fall, but still getting the rim. And I'm going to throw this polyurethane thing out because it's got glitter in this cup. I should have got a clean cup. My silly self. So it's got glitter in this cup, and I want to mix it with my other, with the clean polyurethane. So what I need to do is just go ahead and just let it sit in that cup and let it drip. Just like we did the ornaments. So you probably didn't see the ornaments yet, but let it just sit for 3 minutes and I'll be back. Okay, it's been 3 minutes. Let's go ahead and pull this up. And usually you're gonna have some polyacrylic around the cup, so just wipe it off. And it is a slight streaks. Get some streaks on here, but you can always also get something, clean it off with like Windex or something after you finish the whole glass. So it will be kind of streaky. But you can use Windex or alcohol to clean it off, okay? So now I'm going to just put this to the side. And with the glitter, like I said, I have a few streaks on here, but the glitter should hide that. So that's the best way to make sure you just let it fall, okay? But I just wiped that, so that's why I look like that, because I just wiped it with the paper towel. Okay, so now let me go ahead and put the glitter in there. Take my top off my glitter. Just shake it in there. Okay, that should be enough. Might need a little more. So put the paper right here on the table so you won't make a mess, and just do the same thing we did with the ornaments and swirl it around. Swirl, swirl, swirl. This purple is pretty. Swirl, swirl, swirl. Shake, shake, shake. Swirl, 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 and see if you can find the mistakes, if you have any places that you need more glitter, just go back, swirl it around there if you can. Look inside of it too and see what you're missing by looking inside of here. Okay, try to let it dry. So I got these edges right here I need to get out, so I'm gonna go ahead and just start pouring it out these edges where there we go, for it dry. Okay, just shake, shake, shake. Get all the spots that need to be. Okay. Look in there and see. Get this spot right here. Pour it on out. Okay, so let's go ahead and pour it out. And look at that. I still have spots in here, but this is the one you really gonna have to do these over the ornaments. You might not need 2 coats, but this one you will need 2 coats. Okay, and it's easier to do this because it's a wide mount. It's wide, so you can better put your stuff in there and you can just dab it where you need to dab it. And that's what I use, one of these sponge brushes. I basically just go ahead and put the polyurethane in there and just pat it where I need to be, where I see the spots, the open spots or open gaps or whatever. And I put it around here, but you have to let this dry before you do that, okay? So this has to dry at least for 3, I do it for at least a couple hours, so probably an hour or 2. I let this sit to dry. But look at that. Isn't that beautiful? So I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna let it sit. Let me see. I might let it sit for like 30 minutes. Let it sit for like 30 minutes to dry so you can put the extra coat on there. And if you put this extra coat on there, you let it sit for at least 3 hours, okay? And then you have to seal it with some more. With some, I use the, I can use so many different things to spray it with. I'm gonna figure out which one I'm gonna use to seal it. But I'm gonna come back after this dry for 30 minutes and we're gonna put another coat on there, okay? Okay, I'm back, y'all. I'm back. The cup is dry now. It's been, I let it sit for at least 4 or 5 hours because you want it to be cured. It's up to you. Just put your hand in there and see if it's dry. And if it's dry, you're done. I didn't have to put an extra coat on here. I like it the way it is. But if you need to put extra coat in it, basically you just take your polyacrylic, you just go inside and you dap the places where you want to dap the when you want more glitter, you just dap the spots and then you just basically do all that, dap it, and then you just pour the glitter in there, shake it around and get all the spots like that. And then you pour the glitter back out, okay? So that's how you do it if you miss any spots, okay? But I'm good with this. This is good. I like it like this. So the last step, let me show you the inside of it. The last step is, oh, this is so pretty. This purple is so pretty. But the last step you need to do is basically take your glass and you take it outside because you're going to spray it with the Mod Podge. You can use the spray Mod Podge or you can use the other Mod Podge. You can just put it in there and just paint it. Basically, it's just, let me show you. Take the brush and just paint the Mod Podge all in the cup, inside the cup until you get the whole surface, okay? You can do it that way or you can spray it. Me, I'm going to go ahead and spray it with the Mod Podge gloss spray. And there's other things you can use. You can use triple thick. You can use anything, any sealant. You can even use the epoxy, okay? But epoxy is just too strong, and I try not to use that when I don't have to use it. So I just like to go ahead and spray it. And then you spray this and you let this sit open for 24 hours so it can cure. Because when you start putting the pencils or whatever you want to put in or the makeup brushes in there, you don't want it to chip your glitter. You don't want glitter everywhere, okay? And also another tip you can do is basically, let me show you. This could be a nice Christmas gift. You can get some makeup brushes. Let me show you the makeup. I have the silicone brushes. I use these for my crafts. I really don't use that much makeup, wear that much makeup, so I really don't do that. But basically you can do this. You take the brushes right here. You can put some polyacrylic on here and then dip it in glitter. You can do that also. And it'd be a nice thing to do for, and then put it inside your little bowls, okay? See right here. You can make it purple glitter. You can make it whatever color you want. So that's another thing. If you want to make this a Christmas gift, you can make this a bundle. You can have one of these glasses and then go ahead and get some polyacrylic and put it on here and then put some glitter on there. All the little brushes. And it can be a little Christmas gift or a birthday gift for a teenager or, you know, a female, any age. That's just another tip that I have. I'm not going to do all that today, but just to give you an example of what to do, you can get your, you can get a lot of brushes from the DollarTree and just get the tips of them and just glitter them until you get, you know, all the way up to here. Okay? That's another tip that I wanted to share with you. Let them dry also. And the best way to let these dry is basically you take some tape and put it right here, some painter's tape, and just sit it on something. Let me just show you. Basically, I like, this is a table right here. You just basically sit it right here and put some painter's tape right here and sit it so it can dry. And that's how you have all your paintbrushes dry. I mean, all your brushes to dry, okay? Just let it sit up, lay off that edge right here, so it won't touch anything, and let it sit and dry. Painter's tape, you get painter's tape, or either electric tape and put it right here, and you can get that from DollarTree, okay? And that's the easy way to let them dry. I'm gonna make some of these for Christmas. I have so many different things I want to make for Christmas. One of these is gonna be my Christmas gifts, and I can also show you a video of that, different items that I'm gonna be making for Christmas. Those you can make. You can make mugs for people that drink coffee with the towel coasters with it. You can make what else I was gonna make? So many things you can give out to people for gifts. Journals, calendars, and I have videos on all of those things. You can make big bookmarks and buy somebody a special book, like basically the Michelle Obama book, and then you can make some Michelle Obama bookmarks with that. There's so many things you can do for Christmas. Pot holders and pot mittens. You can sublimate those and make those a set for Christmas. You can do so many things. And let me know if you want me to do a video on Christmas items that I'm making for Christmas for my family, because everybody's getting something that I'm hand making this year, okay? So this is one of the gifts I'm gonna give to one of my cousins. You can put some brushes in there and glitter them up with the same color. But this right here is mine, because my favorite color is purple. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Please check out my website. It's www.charminggalboutique.com. I have items that I can personalize for you. If you don't feel like personalizing your items yourself, let me do it for you. And also I have sublimation blanks on my website now. So I'm selling sublimation blanks. They go pretty fast. So just get yours, and I don't worry about it because I'm always restocking. But they come from China, so it takes a while for me to get them, about a week or two. So go ahead and order your sublimation blanks for me. I appreciate your business. And until next time, be blessed. See you in my next video. Slay all day.